It's labeled for you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cleanser first to remove or oils. Brow so. Okay, now I just shape them the way I want. I'm gonna take the wrap and we're gonna wrap them. Okay, now we kind of go in and adjust. It's kind of burning a little. Is that enough? Wrap for another 10 minutes. Okay, so now we remove the perm and I'm going to apply number 2, which is the fixation. Okay, now it says to brush them up. It's giving Grinch for sure. They're giving Grinch eyebrows. They're giving very bushy, thick eyebrows, but that's totally fine because that's actually what I go for. I love a natural, thick, bushy eyebrow. They feel 100% recommend.